April 23rd, 2026. Let's go over the solution for the NASDAQ price action today. And first off, let's just have a check-in on the daily chart. Notice how we have our momentum slowing down. So the chances of pullbacks are increasing. But we're still in this, clear trend, this clear upward channel. And let's have a look at the SPY and compare what we got there. Bear with me. There we go. We're watching the momentum now just really accelerate to the downside. We're about to lose steam. There's a chance that we'll drop to this region here. There's a chance that we'll drop to this region here. Those chances are increasing as this MACD gets lower and lower and lower. So with that being said, let's get into the market and talk about the solution for today, February 23rd, in the NASDAQ. We want to find where all of the momentum is going the same direction. The first opportunity where that occurred was right here at 847. Momentum on the 5, momentum in the 15, momentum on the 30, all going in the same direction. So that is what we are looking for, and that is exactly what we got at 847. I'm going to highlight the momentum window here. It's a shorter momentum window, but it was a momentum window nonetheless. It was that right there. Sometimes they're small, sometimes they're big, and that's just how it is. You never know. This is the previous day high, and this is the pre-market high right here. So notice how price action plays around with those levels, and then we're going to get into a really interesting situation that happened in the middle of the market. All right, so the next solution for today, April 23rd, happened on 9:51. We had a momentum alignment here, as you can see. So the next solution for today was right there. That was the second solution for April 23rd. All right, next solution that occurred was right here at 10:51. This was a weak setup because our 30-minute and our 15-minute are strong to the upside. So we're taking the trade. Why? Because the 5-minute had touched red. Okay, 5 minutes in the red, and we watched a rejection off of this pre-market high. We were watching the penetrate. We were watching this huge, big candle coming into the previous day's high, and then right here at 10:51, we had a tick in the momentum. Momentum's not going up anymore. We need it to go down because we're going down on the 5-minute. That's the target we're looking for. So we're going up, up, up here, and then boom, we tick down barely, but that is a tick down in momentum. And that is a asymmetrical distribution of probabilities. So that was the third solution for today, April 23rd. The next solution for today happened slightly afterwards at 11:03. Why? Because the MACD on the execution time frame is not going up anymore. It's starting to go down right here at 11:03. Not going up, going down. We want it to go down because we're going to the downside because the 5-minute data is saying we're going down. So the next solution for the day was right there at 11:03. Now we're going to get into the interesting stuff. Right here, the 15-minute is now getting really close to the red, and the 5-minute is tapering. It's not going into the green, it's slowing down and tapering and holding, and then it actually starts to do what? It starts to build momentum back down to the downside. And then right here, we had a tick down in the momentum on the execution time frame, signaling the alignment. So the next solution for the day was this one right there, starting at 11:59. There were some other opportunities to get more trades within this overall solution. And then that was the final solution for the day of April 23rd, 2026. With all that being said, I will see you Oh, one last thing. Notice how the price action played off of the previous week's highs and the pre-market low, and then the previous day low. Look at this. I just wanted to point that out to you so you can notice. Look how the price action plays around with these critical levels. Absolutely fantastic stuff. Take care now.